Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the video frame rate for captures on your Windows 10 system. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the gaming tile. On the left side under gaming, select captures. And then scrolling down where it says recorded video, you can adjust the video frame rate here, either 30 or 60 frames per second, as well as adjusting the video quality right down here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.